penetrating price strategy. They wanted to have more market share. That is the concept when a company establishes, right? And when it comes to Ariel, PNG product, Ariel has high price, which is called a skimming price. So their basic goal is to have more profits, more revenues from the segments who are willing to pay for it. That is called high price or skimming price strategy. And when it comes to the focus aspect of our mission strategy is niche marketing strategy, NICHE. Can anybody tell me this niche marketing strategy? Participants? Can you, or you want me to continue? You want me to say? Yeah, niche marketing strategy is the best example of niche marketing strategy has been taken care by Johnson and Johnson products. Okay, Johnson and Johnson products which adopt a niche marketing strategy which is focusing to kids only. Now they added women products, but otherwise their main focus has been on children product, kids products only, where they charge premium price for premium product to premium customers. Premium price to premium products to premium customers. That is how their strategies, which has been ignored by the leader, can be taken care by the niche. He is not a follower nor a challenger. He is one of the guy who focuses on those aspects which has been ignored by the leader. For example, Hindustan Unilever does not really take up any soap pertaining to kids. But Johnson and Johnson purely take care of only kids products. Now they added women, I said. Even one more example of focus strategy I'll tell you, that is with regards to your Dove soap. Dove does not talk about beauty. Dove does not talk about healthy. Dove talks about skin texture. Whether dark skin or a fair skin, but it talks about that skin texture, and that is called focus strategy. Focus and niche strategy. Am I clear? So it depends upon the type of strategy you have decided, your mission statement. Based on that, your pricing also will have an impact. So high price is skimming price. That means these are setting a high price at the time of launching a new product in order to skim more and more revenues from the segments who are willing to pay for it. That is skimming strategy. When it comes to penetrating strategy, the setting a low price at the time of launching a new product in order to spread in the market, and the main conscious is on market share. This is what a pricing strategies we call. And anything plus profit, all these are all based on these two aspects, high and low prices. Okay. Now this is controllable. And when it comes to the promotion aspect, we have different parameters, IMC, integrated marketing communication mix. Like we can take up all the mix element, promotion mix tools such as, can anybody tell me what are promotion mix tools? Subset of marketing mix tools, promotion mix. Can anybody start with something of promotion mix tools? Or you want me to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I? Yeah,
Yes.
I'll start with promotion mix tools comprise of advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, public relation, right? Direct marketing. Okay, these are all the tools which we adopt for promoting
Good
our product
also,
or
ma'am.
yeah. Come again.
Yes, ma'am. Good transportation.
Good. That will come in place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the place part of place mix we talk in terms of place mix. We have distribution channels, like when it comes to promotion mix, we have different elements. Just now I told about advertising. Can anybody tell me what is advertising? Chote chote akshar mein, in two words. I don't want a big definition. Previous, yeah. Can anybody try out? What is advertising? Do akshar mein.
Promoting product to sell, ma'am.
वो तो बता दिए नहीं, promoting product already, these are all subsets of promotion only, right? So
to the people.
Typically advertising, why did we use the word advertising? Why did we use the word publicity? Why did we use the word public relation? Why did we use the word personal selling? So I just make a clarity if you have time, patience.
Product, ma'am. Hello.
Provision of
a product.
Information, see, all these are subset of promotion only, right? See, when we talk about promotion, we are giving some information. Why we have categorized as advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, we would have directly said information of a product, right? So,
Yes,
It's
yes.
a paid form of
yeah,
a communication.
yeah, two aspects we need to talk about in advertising. Paid form of non-personal presentation. When we talk about
Okay.
पेड फॉर्म ऑफ नॉन पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशन आई टेल यू व्हेन इट कम्स टू एडवर्टाइजिंग हम लोग
Okay.
टीवी देखते हैं पीसीटीवी राइट
Yes.
and what we do, we pay for that particular advertiser. That means the product or that particular client will pay for that particular advertisement to be aired in that particular TV channel or a particular channel. So what they do is, two important aspects will take place. One is paid form, as you said, is absolutely correct. It is paid form of non-personal presentation and persuasion of products and services by an identified sponsor is what advertising. That means what? When we talk about paid form of communication, we also say one more word, non-personal, which means TV say we don't interact. Do we interact? Non-personal. We just see our footfalls will be there. If advertisement is effective, our footfalls will be seen in retail mall or some other kirana shop or in any shopping mall. Is it not? That is the main effectiveness of advertising. As one of the participants said, it is a paid form of communication, and we need to add one more thing, non-personal presentation. People, we don't talk to the person who is there in the TV, right? The one who is showcasing that particular product or a service. That's why it is called as non-personal presentation. And one more element I said about another opposite of advertising is unpaid form of communication. Unpaid form of communication is absolutely the publicity. For example, if your college, one of the seminar hall has been inaugurated by a celebrity or a sports person or a politician or a representative of an organization, what happens is the same thing is captured by the media, newspaper, TV channels, but we really don't pay anything to this media. But still, our product or service has been, our college seminar hall and college name has been identified, has been promoted by most of the news channels, and that is called as unpaid form of communication. Hope I'm clear.
Yes,
Am I?
But madam, most of the product market in market available for paid form of communication because they paid some money for advertising
I
their
will
products in the
tell you.
market.
I'll get back to you. See, any organization will adopt a combination of many promotional mixed tools, not just one. When
Okay.
mass media is called as TV, we adopt many forms. Suppose when you are inaugurating, obviously we go for it. But one of the integrated marketing mixed tools I'm talking about, with which also we can create an awareness. If I want, I'll go for publicity. That's what I said. No, a set of controllable tools. We can increase or we can decrease the channel. That means I can go for all the channel medias, all the electronic, moving, transportation, electronic indoor, electronic outdoor, right? I can go on hoarding, I can go on pole ads, I can go on multiple channels of media
Rama,
vehicles. Hello? Hello? All media vehicles, but it depends on me. If I wanted, I will go. And another one I wanted to add here is two we have studied, paid form of and unpaid form of. And we have also studied about non-personal. Now let us talk about personal. Personal is sales personnel. Sales, personal selling is one of the promotional tool where if an organization, if a marketing company does not have enough budget, they'll adopt sales guys to promote the product, to persuade and what you call sell the product. So in that particular scenario, we go with personal selling. That means you will have a two-way communication. You will have a two-way communication. That is called personal selling. Advertisement, we have non-personal presentation and persuasion of products and services. But when it comes to personal selling, two-way communication takes place. The customer and the seller and seller both will interact. If he has any queries, he'll try to satisfy He'll try to solve the queries, and customer, if he is happy, then he will buy, otherwise he will not buy the product. That is called personal selling, two-way communication. And public relation, we all know that, they are the most key important step in an organization, who represent the entire organization goals, and they are the touch points of an organization today, right? They if you go to any private bank or any of malls, we try to get a right to respect. These are the touch points which are very cautious today to promote their product. So these are some of the tools we try to capture or increase or decrease when it comes to promotion mix. And the last thing is we have place mix. What we do is we spread across different malls in a particular locality, or we distribute our product in national level, local level, and at the international level. It all depends upon my budgets, my strategy, my mission, whether I wanted to go for distribution places, or otherwise I can go with, I'm satisfied with one or two outlets. Otherwise, I can spread across, or I can reduce the place distribution aspect. This is what about marketing mix elements, right? So that's what. So we have to adopt this particular one, controllable tools. We can manage them. But when it comes to external factor, there we call it as pestle. Political, economic, social, legal, government, cultural, all these factors will come into where if it rains, what we do? Climatic conditions, we on our umbrella. We cannot control. See, by adopting with the controllable factors, we need to adjust to the external environment. We cannot say that stop the technology. No, I am not going to adopt the new cultures. I'm not going to understand the social strata. I'm not going to. So that company will not sustain, though they do not directly have anything to do with my product or service, but they impact from the external environment. And finally, because of these external factors, we will have an impact on our organization sustainability. So we need to adjust with the external environment, and we need to control our internal environment. So balancing these two, we need to sustain in the market. So this is what about part of your market planning. Then again, I'll get back to you some more aspects. Now we need to understand our SWOT analysis also. SWOT analysis are also part of your market planning. Am I getting you? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
participant?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
SWOT analysis, let's take for our particular product, we have strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths, weaknesses belong to within the organization. Opportunities are always from the external environment. So we need to start the threats and feed the opportunities, and minimize the weaknesses. Automatically our strengths will increase. This is what we need to balance with all these aspects, and then get along with the SWOT analysis. It is not that easy. I'm briefing it because of time constraint. Otherwise, SWOT analysis is a big thing. Am I right? Is it not?
Yes.
So then we'll get back to the next environment aspect is market strategy development. Market strategy development comprises, I'll also be talking about market strategy development in the next aspect of NPDC, new product development concept. So taking that into consideration, we need to achieve our objectives or goals. Objectives are short term, goals are long term. This is where we need to get along with our market planning, which is still a blueprint of a reality, replica of a reality. Then going back to the next aspect is new product development concept. After this, all this environmental scanning and market planning, we need to understand how do we go about with new product development concept. See, new product development concept is, I'm not touching marketing. I mean, the decisions of product level decisions, price level decisions, promotion level decisions, and with regards to place level decisions, because I'm not going into wholesale, retail, and all place level. And then I'm not going to IMC in detail or some different tools of promotion mix or sales promotion. I'm just touching. Now let's get back to our new product development concept, which has that means when we'll just connect that with a movie, right? Before we see a movie, in a theater, there's lot of background work goes before. That means the shooting, the direction, all these aspects which are done at the background. What we see is the movie. Similarly, when a particular product to be launched, the background work has to be done with 8 stages, which is called as new product development concept, which is not on the screen but off the screen. It starts with idea generation, idea screening, concept development and testing. Then you have after concept development and testing, you have market strategy development. Then you have business analysis. Then comes product analysis, product development. Then test marketing, commercialization and launching. These are the 8 important stages which are done at the background of the scene before you launch a particular product. Now let's just have a general gist of new product generation. What do you mean by idea generation? Can anybody? Are you getting me?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So idea generation is an initial stage. Can anybody tell me what do we do in that idea generation?
First of all, seeking to understand what is the problem behind.
See,
Knowing the problem.
yeah.
Knowing the problem, we try to generate ideas.
Brainstorming.
For solving that particular problem.
Yes, yes.
Any other ideas can come out with idea generation stage? Any other participant also?
Idea generation can
Yeah.
it can be abstract, concrete, or visual ideas, which can be can be converted into concept.
Yeah, in the concept. Yeah, that is also a valid point. I go with you. So, but any other points? Can anybody wants to contribute, or shall I continue? Her points are perfect. I'll again add one more point to that. So idea generation stage is a stage where purposeful ideas to be generated. Simple word, not vague ideas. Those ideas to be smart ideas, means specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely. These are the 5 important aspects to be taken into consideration while generating new ideas. There are also some techniques to be adopted for generating ideas, which can include a brainstorming technique, a case method, a synetics and all. These are all the techniques to be adopted, but the basic idea behind idea generation is purposeful ideas to be generated to that particular, not one of the participants said problem. I would say it is not always problem, it can be an opportunity also. Right? We want to grab the opportunity. I want to add one more product to the existing. That is my opportunity. So it's always not a problem. We have to be a solution provider rather than a problem solver. There's a lot of difference, right? So here in first stage, we have to generate around 20 ideas have been generated. We need to screen out the ideas. That is the second stage. Sometimes it so happens that we go with drop error and go error. The beautiful ideas will be dropped and the wrong ideas will be moved forward to the next level. So there we have to be cautious in idea screening. There are different levels of idea screening techniques are also there. In the I can share the notes if you want. So, but as of now, we'll just give a briefing about. Then after screening the ideas, the next stage is one of the best idea. 3 ideas will be kept aside for moving it to the next levels. So that there, the first idea which has been taken can be moved to the next level, that is called concept development and testing. We are not only taking into consideration whether that product idea, the concept idea will become a usable product or acceptable product by the market or not, has to be understood by conceptualizing the idea and trying to test before the jury, before the layman, before the sales guys, before the people or before the target group, where if it is given as a product, then it can be accepted by those target group, right? That is what the concept development. Still it is on the computer with a CAD cam, or otherwise it's on a paper. It has not taken any life yet, and we are trying to test it among the group of people, intellects or jury, where if it works out, is it having any viability to become a product, new product tomorrow when we launch it. That is what we try to go with the concept development and testing. And then coming to the point is, if it is accepted by 50 or 40%, then we'll go to the next stage, that is called market strategy development. In market strategy development, we try to work out on three important aspects. First is segmenting, targeting, positioning, and initial sales, initial cost, initial profits. These are some of the areas we need to take into consideration while going with market strategy. What do you mean by market strategy? Can anybody tell me in one or two words? This is the headache of, this is the work of marketing department. So tell me, what do you mean by market strategy development or marketing strategy?
Prepare a plan.
New techniques.
New techniques. Okay, ये भी हो सकता है. As I said, initial sales, cost and profit, and at the same time STP analysis will be taken into consideration. So can anybody tell me what is STP analysis?
It's a segmentation, targeting, and positioning of the
Targeting
product.
and positioning. Segmenting, targeting and positioning. In segmenting, we always have, whenever we start a word called segmenting, we have to start with the word dividing. Okay, so that you remember why when we use the word segmenting, it has to start with dividing. Dividing the market into different group of buyers based on three important aspects: needs, characteristics, and behavior. This is how we try to segment. There are different bases which we are not going to go in detail, but I'll give you just side headings of that. The segmentation aspects are geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral segmentation. These are the four important segments which are to be considered while segmenting. Then comes, I'll have a question for you all, the targeting. Now I'll ask you one question. What is the difference between target marketing and market targeting? Target marketing and market targeting.
Target marketing related to the specific customers or
Okay,
the community of the customer.
okay. And market targeting?
Market targeting.
Yeah, fine. You have added one point that is acceptable to me, right? Any other want to?
Particular
Any other
group of customers who need the product, who are in need of.
who are in need of is target marketing or market targeting?
Market targeting could be the
Market targeting could be
Place.
market targeting could be the process of selecting target market from the entire market.
And then what is target marketing?
Target market could be the consist of groups of buyers to whom we want to sell our products.
You're all correct. I don't deny any of your answers. Absolutely. You're all adding to the point. You're all contributing, right? Now I'll just give in a simplified way. Market targeting means targeting. Here we are using the word targeting. Means after segmenting, we are seeing the attractiveness of each and every segment and trying to trigger at that particular segment is called market targeting. We are triggering at those segments who are going to be our customers, who will transform into our customers, is called as market triggering, targeting. Hope you got? After seeing the attractiveness of each and every market segment and trying to trigger at those segments which are profitable to the organization. Simple. And we are going to come out with our marketing mix elements to fit into that. Then coming to target marketing is simply set of actual and potential customers of a product. I'm done. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Simple. So when the next letter, market targeting, means it is triggering, seeing the attractiveness of each and every market segment and trying to trigger, target at those segments and trying to, with our marketing mix elements, is it not? That is market targeting. And target market is simple set of actual and potential customers of a product. Then let's get back to another aspect is called business. One more element is there. After ST, what is the next element?
Position.
Positioning. What do you mean by
Yes.
positioning? Anybody? Because we are running short of time, I'll tell you, right? It is creating a window in the minds of target customer. Simple. creating a window in the minds of target customers, which is done to the mind and nothing is done to the product. Okay. We are trying to be on the top of the mind of customer, something which is done to the mind than to a product. I'll give you an example. When Tata Nano was launched, they have projected a village setup. A small girl will be coming down when a yellow color car comes to their lanes, and she just comes down and simply puts her tika, her kajal to that particular car where nazar nahi lagna. That means it should not be, it should not have a black eye to that particular car because people envy. So that is where we are doing. That means it is not talking anything about the performance of the product, but it is something which is doing to the psyche of the customer. One more example I'll tell you with regards to Cadbury Dairy Milk. Cadbury Dairy Milk. They say खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा, right? They are not doing anything about how it is getting, that particular product is getting into the factory and transforming with a cocoa, chocolate, milk, malt, and becoming a dairy milk product, dairy milk sweet. But they are simply saying that खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा. They have come out with a household setup where joint family sits together, and then they say, instead of saying about our Indian sweets, they say खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा, which has been added, a new variant is added, which we are not used to having dairy milk other than our household made payasam or some kind of sheer kurma, some kind of sweet. This is the concept. So there, we are not talking anything about the performance or functionality about or attributes about the product, but we are trying to touch the psyche of the customer, is called positioning. Either we position the product with the functionality or with the performance, or we are going to create a window in the minds of customers. Hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I getting you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. That is positioning strategy. So STP is done. Initial sales cost for a period of 6 months to 1 year. We are going to analyze what will be the cost, what will be the sales volume, and then what would be the profits. That is what we are going to talk about in market strategy development. Market strategy in simple terms is, it's a logic to achieve your marketing objectives. Marketing strategy is a logic to achieve marketing objectives. If it is a financial strategy is a logic to achieve financial objective. So that's how we have to connect. It's a logic. It provides you a direction to achieve your marketing objective or HR objective or a financial objective. Am I clear? This is all about related with marketing department. Next comes your finance department, that is business analysis. In business analysis, what you normally do is, this is the finance department. They are going to study about the same cost, profit and sales for a period of 1 year to 5 years. And at least they work out with the figures wherein they can at least get break even. No loss, no profit situation if they go about with the concept which they have tried, tested before the department, before the jury. So the third stage, what we have done, whether it is viable to spend on that, what will be the actual cost, what will be the sales, and what will be the profit for that particular new product which will take life in the next stages. This is what about business analysis, all about finance department role. Then comes our engineering department role, which is about giving life to a product, that is called product development. The idea will be transformed into a life. That means an innovation. The idea will be transformed as a new product with the engineering department, where they try to give life to in the form of innovation. So a new product will come out, but they don't produce many products, but for a trial purpose they produce some pieces, so that if it works out, fine. Otherwise, we have to go to the what I will tell you. Then comes our test marketing. After producing some few around 10 pieces or 15 pieces, or suppose 31 states or 32 states, including UTs and all, let us think that each particular state may one product can be sent for test marketing. Test marketing. So that if it is acceptable by the target group, then we can go ahead with the next level. with the next level. There are sometimes it so happened that when it comes to Surf Excel, when they went for test marketing at Vizag, what happened that there were many colors. Red color granules were there in that surf. Blue color was there. Green color was there. Many colors was there in that surf. What happened was those who preferred red color, they did not like the green color and blue color. Those, and they felt that this is not acceptable to me. So, and those who wanted, they had a feeling of freshness and fragrance. They did not like the red color. So, likewise, too many cooks, they went with the customer thoughts only. At the time of test marketing, what happened was the product was a failure. They have not accepted. The customer only accepted during the third stage when it was a concept. The same customer, potential customer, did not accept it when it has gone for test marketing. Then again, we have three ideas, right? Three ideas. One, if it is fails, we have gone with only few pieces. We'll get back to the third stage, and again we'll start with idea number 2. We need to go ahead with idea
last
number
3 minutes.
Oh my god. Okay, then the next stage is, once it passes through the test marketing, we will have commercialization and launching of a product by concentrating on two important aspects by registering and all. This gives a life to product life cycle. Behind the screen is over. Now on the screen will be product life cycle, that is called what is product life cycle? Now I will not ask you, since we have 3 minutes. It is to be called as not just introduction, growth, maturity and decline. We have to say the word sales history of a product which passes through 4 stages. Sales history, which has profits at the y-axis and profits and sales at the y-axis, and year sales history, year at the x-axis. So we try to understand how the sales history of a particular product or service which passes through introduction, growth, maturity and decline. Okay, this is what all about principle basics. I just gave you an idea. Hope you understood. If you have any queries, in 1 minute you ask me. I'm winding up. Hello? Any participant? Any queries?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Hope you understood.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me. Somebody is.
Ma'am, your
Hello?
voice is break.
My
ma'am,
voice
your
is
voice.
breaking. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what about all the basics of marketing. I just wanted to share with you. Hope you got some idea about my concepts, what I told you in a simplified way. I have not gone with Kotler definition or Stanton definition, but a basic idea I wanted to imbibe before you, so that even laymen can speak, talk, discuss about it.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Hope you
Thank
have
you
any
so much.
queries. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you,
Thank you so much.
ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're all welcome. I can share notes if anybody wants.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I want to
Yes.
notes
Better
of
idea.
notes of the sessions.
Say it. I will just pass it on to Karthik.
Can we get
Yes,
your
ma'am.
materials or PDF form?
Yeah, I have PPTs and I have material also. I'll share with you, or else I'll share with you. No issues.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm also
Thank
need.
you.
I'm also
Thank
need
you
a
very much,
PDF
ma'am.
on study
Share your
notes.
mail
It's
ID
very,
to all.
it was very
Karthikeya.
useful, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Karthikeya, take their email IDs. You can help them. I'll share the notes to them.
I think we all need some PDF or PPT notes, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely. PPT is immediately right away. He'll share with you. The remaining notes part, I will just see that you get it. I'll pass on to Karthik. No queries. I wanted. That means you have over understood or you have not understood anything. In both the situations,
It was
you will not get
clear.
questions.
Explanation was clear.
Okay. Thank you so much.